Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. Today we will read about the Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is Allah's last Rasul. When he was born, his noble father Hazrat Abdullah had already died. His grandfather Hazrat Abdul Muttalib took him to the Holy Kaaba, thanked Allah Almighty and prayed. According to the custom of the Arabs, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam stayed with Hazrat Halima Sadiya Raziyallah Ta'ala anhu, who brought him up as a foster mother. When he was 4, Hazrat Halima Raziyallah Ta'ala anha brought him back to Makkah. When he was 6, his mother died. At the age of 8, his grandfather also died. After the death of grandfather, his uncle Hazrat Abu Talib took the responsibility of his upbringing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam declared Nabuwat at the age of 40 and preached that the people should worship one Allah, always speak the truth and help others. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the biggest blessing of Allah Almighty for the entire mankind. He did not take revenge from anyone. He forgave even his bitterest enemies. The Quraysh of Makkah broke all boundaries of cruelties upon him, but when Makkah was conquered, he forgave all of them. His life is the best role model for all the humans.